Hi guys, this is Vamsi. I'm back with another video. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about the one of the major thing, what is data science. One of my subscriber asked me that what is the meaning of data science, what are the rules of the data science in there, what is exactly the meaning of data science. For that case I'm making this video. So many people don't know what is meant by data science, what are the different types of rules in the data science. Okay, let's start the video. The first one, what is meant by data science? Data science combines the scientific methods, maths and stats, specified programming, advanced analytics, AI, and a new even storytelling to undercut the explanation of business understanding placed in the data. What does that mean? Simply, we can say that the data science combine of maths and stats, programming languages like Python or anything, advanced analytics, AI, and even the storytelling. What is mean? Storytelling is the visualizing of the data, visualization of story. What are the things they are combined? How much data is published? How much data is distributed between each and every columns? And this all overall the things are come under the data science. Okay, and what are the roles? What are the data science job roles? Job roles are majorly three types. One is data scientist, data engineering, data analytics. Each and everything I will explain on the next videos. Wait for that videos. And the next one is data science life cycle. How to do that? What is data science life cycle? What are the methods are used? How the process are going on? At first, point number one, business understanding. We want to understand the business. Business understanding is understanding the problem. What is the problem? What is the data set content? What exactly the data is used for that? What is the case and dues and days? We want to know each and everything about this problem. We want to learn the problem. And what are the we want to add the new things or new thing anything. We want to learn the business understanding. And the next one is data mining, gathering the scraping of the data necessary. If you have a missing data, for example, if you are doing a survey, some people are missing, so at the time we want to gather the data. For that time using in data science we are using data mining. Okay, and the next one is data cleaning, for fixing the null values and handling the missing values. Fixing the null values and outliers. We want to clear the null values and outliers. With that we can predict with outliers we can't get a perfect accuracy. For that in the case we are doing the outliers. Okay, outliers method, there are various type of outliers. I will explain each and everything outliers in my next videos. Please watch there. And the fourth one is data exploration. It is simply at EDA, exploring data analysis. We want to analyze the data, which type of data, what are the data types, what is there nulls and anything, shape of the data, tail, head, like that. We want to analyze the data. We want to analyze the various of data. What are the we want to go depth into the data to find the what are the there in the data set. And the fifth one is feature engineering. This is the most important thing. From up to now, there is the most feature engineering. Select the important features. Importance of the feature. We can select the importance of features. What are the features are there? If there are missing values, we can use some methods like mean, median mode, imputation, probability imputation. By using these techniques, we can fill the null values in the data set. For that I have a playlist of feature engineering playlist I have created in my YouTube channel. Please go through there and you can know each and every technique. And the sixth point is predicting the models, building the machine learning models. At now train the model, train the data sets and test the data set and build the models. This is the main step. This is the last step for building the models of using machine learning algorithms like linear, logistic, decision tree, random forest, etc., etc. For more complex models, we can use the deep learning models like ANN, CNN, RNN. These are the most. For these models, we have created one of the playlists like machine learning tutorial. Please go through there. You can learn everything. And the seventh step is data visualization. We want to visualize the data. We want to visualize the data by using the graphical methods. For Seaborn and MATLAB is used for the visualization of data. And finally, we want to do the deployment. This is the life cycle of data science. And the next one is what are the skills are required for the data science. data science skills. At first, we want to learn stats, and second, one of the programming language like R or Python. Data expressions, transformation, and loading. Totally, we can call that pre-processing. Data exploration, and the fifth point is machine learning algorithms. And for the complex variables, we can use advanced machine learning algorithm, that is deep learning. And the last, big data processing of frameworks. And finally, we can do the data visualization. These are the major skills are required for the data science. Okay, and the applications of data science. These are the applications of data science. At first, we want the first application is banking. We can detect we have shown you already see that credit card detection in my previous videos. If you don't have a look on it. And the next one is finance. Third is manufacturing. Fourth one is transport. And the fifth one is healthcare. And the last one is e-commerce website like Flipkart, Amazon. Like this. These are the applications that are used in the data science. Each and every application I have made a videos. Please have a look on there. And finally, we can discuss about the salary. What are the salaries are can enter that data science? What are the career opportunities? When we come according to the career opportunities, there is a lot of opportunities for the data science roles. For the startups, they are they are hiring so many data science graduates for improve their companies. And you can learn from the startups different types. Data science, keep learning. Data science is not enough. You want to learn day by day you want to learn. Okay, the basic salaries are get by the data science, and the average data science salary is per annum 6,98,412, approximately 7 lakhs per annum averagely. An entry data scientist can learn 5 lakhs per annum, can earn 5 lakhs per annum. And if you have experience nearly 1 to 4 years, you can earn 6 lakhs 10,000. It's a per annum approximately. These are the approximately. If you have more skills, you can get a more hike of these salaries. When you go to the product based companies, you can hike more and more salaries from this. Please learn all the skills. We have data science is not a simple thing. It is an ocean. You want to learn so much things. You want to build your own knowledge. You want to build your own projects that will help you to increase the data science skills. Okay friends, I hope you have understand all about the data science. If you have any doubts, please make in the comments. I will try to clear that and make the videos on that doubts. Okay friends, I hope you have understand. Okay friends, bye, take care, have a good day. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.